Hey guys, this is Brian P. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've been really busy with the house and several other things that are going on right now. But I wanted to take the time to make a video of the fan in my living room here. This is a 52-inch Hunter Piedmont, essentially a Passport 2 with wingtip blades. I got this fan from Craigslist about sorry, 3 or 4 months ago in a deal with multiple fans that John Reed let me know about. Honestly, off the top of my head, I can't remember how much I paid for this one because I got them in a deal with a bunch of other fans, all of them being Hunters. I got 3 Villa Series fans. One of them I kept. The other 2 I sold to John Reed, or traded rather. I got a low profile 5 Hunter bath and dressing room, little 32-inch fan, very uncommon. Wanted one my whole life. And then I got this one here too. So I wound up getting 6 fans out of the deal. And this one I wasn't planning on installing, but because it's a flush mountable antique brass fan that has walnut blades, I wanted to give it a shot. Just kind of installed it temporarily, but you know, I like it so much I might just keep it here, at least until I take care of the mounting system in here. Yeah, I do apologize for the temporary mounting. It's just a pancake box inside a stud, bolted with wood screws with lamp cord. Kind of a redneck swag kid, if you'll forgive the term. Anyway, but I plan on eventually putting a 52-inch original in here once I can take care of the mounting system and put some Romex in the ceiling to make it nicer. The problem that I have is that this house, it has 7.5-foot ceilings, so it's kind of difficult to mount anything as far as fans go that's not flush mount, because the last thing I need is some 6-foot over person walking into my living room and meeting my Hunter original with a nasty injury. I don't know if any of you have been injured by a Hunter original, but I have, and it really sucks, especially when it's on high speed. So that being said, let's fire this baby up. Low speed. This fan was made in 1998. Very smooth running fan. Absolutely silent. No motor hum, no scratchy bearings, nothing. Moves a nice gentle breeze on low. There's medium. The blades are a little bit warped, but I'm not worried about that. Still moves good air. Sorry, that's my coffee maker shutting off. High speed. Excuse me. It's a very strong, good performing fan on high. Moves a great breeze. These 90s Hunters are pretty underrated fans as far as performance. I mean, they really are powerful, you know, and they last a long time if you take good care of them. It's a heck of an air mover. So we'll turn it off and we'll do a spin down. And the bearings on this fan are in really good shape, so being that I bought it from the original owner, doesn't really surprise me. But yeah, you know, I wouldn't mind keeping this permanently installed in here if it weren't for the fact that I have 6 Hunter originals that I'm sitting on in a storage locker, kind of waiting to install them here in my house, because I want to make sure that the mounting is secure before I even think about doing that. I still got to crawl up in the attic and mess around up there, so don't worry, they will come. But this is a pretty good fan. I'm actually very pleased with it. So yeah, not too many Piedmont videos out there. So I guess this is another one making a dent in the ceiling fan video world. So yeah, that's my 52-inch Hunter Piedmont that's installed in my living room. Keep watching, more videos to come, guys. Enjoy.